This is the Minimone, a ZX81 compatible computer. All made up of contemporary components, it offers some exciting additional features such as a mechanical keyboard, 32 kilobytes of RAM, 16K readable ROM, sound capabilities. As with the famous ZX81, the Minimone operates on a Z80 central processing unit. The Minimone is a genuine 8-bit computer. No emulation. The machine works on 5 volts, so you can hook it up to any USB port or any typical mobile phone adapter that outputs 5 volts. The machine was all made up of modern components and replacements, so you won't have a problem keeping it to life indefinitely. When replacing the graphic chip, you have 3 choices: the original ULA, the VLA81 by Charlie Ingerly, or the ULA2K18 by Andy Red. Even the most minimal entity, in order to operate as a computer, needs a central processing unit, static memory, dynamic memory, and a graphic IC. And these are exactly the parts that the Minimone consists of: a Z80 CPU, 32 KB RAM, a 16 KB ROM, and a graphic chip that is also used as an input-output device. We also managed to generate sounds by mostly using the CPU in order to keep the system minimal, and with the fewest integrated chips possible. With a bit of line changing, you can hook that keyboard to your ZX81 or even to your ZX Spectrum. Flip the dip switches to use an 8K ROM or a 16K ROM instead. The Minimone comes with either a ZX Basic ROM, Coral Basic ROM, a 4th language ROM, or an assembler. And it can run all the software of the original ZX81 or else the Timex 1000 as named in the US. The Minimone is ideal for educational purposes, as its extremely simple architecture will encourage any user to familiarize themselves with its structure and functionality in full depth. Minimone is perhaps the only available machine on the market that really offers the nostalgic feeling of holding a true retro machine in your hands, of which you can understand the circuitry and processing mechanism to the bone. There have been more than 300 games published for the ZX81 since its launch in 1981. New titles are still being released up to this date. The computer is affordable and is now available for purchase. Limited pieces in stock are for sale. Go to our website or send us an email to make an order. If you have a question, post it on our forum, which requires no registration, or send us an email and we'll be happy to assist you. Check out the available offers on eBay or on www.minimone.com. Stay tuned and stay retro.